I wanted to take a minute and give you a quick video walkthrough on my new listing on Blue Springs Drive in Fox Lake. It is a 2-bedroom townhouse, one of the biggest units out here. And take a look at that. It is right on the pond. In fact, the owner tells me that he catches bass out there. So it's an end unit, 2-car garage, and a private entrance. And 2-story living room when we come in the door. Lots of windows all the way up. Fireplace, hardwood floors, a lot of upgrades in this unit. We've got oak stair railing, and just off the entrance is an office. Could be used as a guest room as well. Right off of the living room here is our dining area, also overlooking the water. Plenty of room for eating space there. And kitchen. Nice stainless steel appliances. Everything's been updated, upgraded. Again, hardwood floor all the way through this part of the house. Oak doors. Sliders out to your own patio, overlooking that beautiful pond. Great place to spend your summer afternoons. We've got a half bath on this floor, and then the access to the 2-car garage and the coat closet in the back. Swinging around upstairs, this particular unit, they requested that the builder, instead of having 3 bedrooms up here, enlarge the master bedroom with what could be an exercise room or a study, sitting room. So good sized master. Got a nice big walk-in closet. Again, oak doors, oak trim, separate shower and soaking tub, and 2 sinks in the bathroom. And then through these doors, they use it as kind of an exercise room and a sitting room off of the master. You've got your laundry up on this level. Washer and dryer will stay. You've got a nice hall bath up here, total of 2.5 baths, and this bedroom, which also overlooks the pond. Please give me a call if you've got any questions or if you'd like to arrange a showing. Wanted to also give you a quick look at the Subdivision Association beach on Wooster Lake that you would have lake rights to. Very nice park and beach and access to the water. One of the nicest developments that we've got in Fox Lake.